I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to address one of your questions. What can I do with littles who won't line up to come in from recess? They seem to think it's a game, but I'm not having any fun. Boy, have I seen this. You're just getting lined up, ready to come in, and kid just decides, I think I'll run around a little bit more and see how many people I can get to chase me. Well, first of all, I don't want to play that game, and neither do you. It is tiring. But when I run into it on a couple times, too often with one or two particular children, they're telling me that they're not going to line up, and they do think it's a game. The only way I can teach them that it's not a game is to, I hate to say, but maybe tomorrow you're playing inside. Yeah, you get to play with toys and stuff, but you can't go out. Now, that's not taking away recess. That's changing the environment and telling them when we come in, when it's time to come in from outside, you come in with everybody else. It is not okay to run away. And when you run away, the logical consequence is that you're not going to go out. And I will do that day in and day out, and I'll give them another chance every day fresh. But on that third day, whatever, they run away again. Next day, we're practicing that again, because it's not okay for you to have 3 or 4 adults running around the playground catching a 5-year-old who decides they don't want to come in. So let them know right away that this is not going to fly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.